looking at number 8. Okay, so maybe a little diagram might help. Okay, we're firing this horizontally. It's going to land so far down the line here, which we know is 2,450 meters. Okay, so we know that that's the maximum range. We know it's fired from this height, which is 78.4 meters. Okay, looks like my path disappeared, so here it is again. Okay, we know then since it's fired horizontally, theta is equal to 0. And if theta is equal to 0, then we know that the cosine of 0 is equal to 1, and the sine of 0 is equal to 0, so that our equation in x, which was, okay, you know, v0t cosine of theta simply collapses to x equals v0t, and what you already have, x, which is 2,450, so that's v0t, okay? That's about it for what we have here. Now we come over to the equation y, which is y is equal to, you know, negative 1/2 at squared plus v0t sine of theta plus h sub 0. We already agreed that the sine of theta, that theta is 0, sine of theta is 0, so this collapses to y is equal to, a little sloppy, y is equal to negative 1/2 at squared plus h sub 0. So when this thing hits the ground, the height is 0, and that's negative 1/2 at squared, which we have all that, so we'll put in what we have. We have, you know, we're in metric, so the a is, this is negative 4.9 t squared, and the height is 78.4. So that means negative 78.4 divided by negative 4.9, the square root of which will give you t. Having that t, we can throw it back over in here and solve for the velocity. So going to our calculator and solving that for t. So we're going to have, I don't need to use that, so I'm going to clear that. Sorry about that. So the root of 78.4 divided by 4.9, I just took care of negatives right there. Okay. And that is going to give me my time, which looks like, how about that? Exactly 4 seconds. Okay. Which is then going to come over here. And so, since t is equal to 4, I can come right here and say 2,450 divided by 4, which is my time, will be my initial velocity, and that'll take care of that, right? So 2,450 divided by 4 is my initial velocity, and that is going to equal 612. It's pretty fast, but that's what I get. Okay, and that's in meters per second, and that's number 8. I'm done.